Hello, in this video today I'm going to show you how to fix some issue when you are install the Sitecore instance on the Windows PC. Okay, so basically in the network service step, you have to grant the permission for the network service to access the full access into the root folder which contains the shortcode and the database. So, but when you are running, you may got some issue in the SQL Server is configured to use the anti-service MSSQL Server account, which is not supported by current version of the SIM. You need to change the SQL Server user account and click Grant again. Okay, so now in order to fix it, please follow this video. Cool. Okay, in this step we have to grant the permission for full access into the root folder. We have setting in the first step. Click on the grant button here. Yeah, okay, so if you got this message, meaning for now you cannot grant the permission for this account to access into the folder. You have to click on cancel button here and open the SQL Server Content Manager. I will open Microsoft SQL Server Configuration Manager. Okay, click on the SQL Server services, and here you can see we have a SQL Server is running. Double click on this one. You can see here by default it is using the anti-service Microsoft SQL Server account for accessing to the folder, and I will select another option, built-in account, and select the network service. Click on OK button. After that, it will restart the SQL Server service. Okay, cool, finish, and close this one. I will back to this one and click on again grant button. Here you can see for now the permission was successfully set to access into that folder. Okay, cool. I hope this video will helpful for you, and do let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later.